today's video, I will be showing you my whitening routine. I say this because most of the products I will be mentioning are not really part of my routine, but I want to try them out. And some of these products din naman I use on a daily basis, so I want to share them with you guys. So if you want to know what they are, just keep on watching. As you all know, when it comes to whitening, I'm not really a fan of it. But when I do, it's for my underarms. So a lot of us can relate, us girls can relate. We want white underarms or light colored underarms. So these are my underarms right now. They're not the whitest, they're not the smoothest. I haven't had a wax in a while, and hindi na ako nagla-laser like before. But they're a lighter than before. So, ayan lang. Basta, I'm really still shy. But, compared to before, I never wore sleeveless out. But now, sobrang confident na ako naka-sleeveless. Like, you can see in my videos, I wear sleeveless. And if you go back to like a year ago, 2 years ago, I rarely or I never wore sleeveless tops. So, ayun. Here are the products they sent me. It came in this cute little pouch. I'm first gonna show you the toner I use. I think this is my favorite toner. I use other toners, but this is something that I don't use every day. But this is a toner I really like kasi it's affordable, and also I feel like when I use this toner, I use this like once or twice a week kasi it's very harsh on my face. But after using this toner, that's when I see a difference on my face. So, I don't recommend using this every day, but I have a separate toner that I use for my everyday. This one, I use when I want a deep cleanse, or iniisip ko na, oh, today yung sobrang tiring day ko, I have to clean my face. Ito talaga yun. Like, it really cleans my face. Like, I can see na nagda-dry out yung pimples ko after. If you saw my past favorites videos or past skincare videos, I think I mentioned this kasi nga, this is my favorite. I think for this year, ito yung makikita nyo sa 2019 favorites ko. By the way, when I use this, after using this on my face, I actually put it also on my underarms kasi nga, sabi ko, oh, nakaka-whiten to, so baka it would help with my underarms. So yeah, I also use this on my underarms before I go to bed. So after toning my face, I also tone my underarms. So just so you know. Oh, by the way, meron din pala akong crystal white na whitening soap, and naubos ko na siya. So I only have the packaging. I didn't throw it away. It's just to show you. But I'm gonna insert a clip. It's like a purple soap, and it smells like, I don't know, grapes. Hindi ko ma-pinpoint yung scent, pero ang bango niya. Tapos, alam nyo ba, I think yun yung like, I have bumps on my skin. Oh my gosh, I look so dark. Because nga, galing ko lang sa beach. Pero, yun yung parang natanggal yung bumps ko. Hindi naman natanggal, pero parang it tamed them. Dati kasi parang mafe-feel mo talaga yung bumps sa arms ko. Pero yun, parang lumiliit yung bumps. I'm not sure if it's because of this or something else. Pero, I really want to repurchase this soon. Hindi lang ako nakakapuntang mall. Hindi pa ako nakakabili. So, eto. I-repurchase ko to for sure. Kasi, feeling ko talaga it made a difference on my skin. So, right now, I'm, again, a bit tanner than usual. Hindi ko pa kasi ito nagagamit. So, maybe if I use this again, you'll see it in my favorites videos. And, yun, we'll see if I'll get my skin color back. Next is their underarm whitening spray. So the bottle looks like this. Ayan, it has a pink liquid inside, and inside makikita nyo paubos ko na siya. This one I try to use every day when I remember to. Sometimes kasi I forget, because previously when I got this, I didn't use deodorant, but for me, mas gusto ko yung spray deodorant instead of the roll-on. So that's why I stopped. Pero this one I discovered because they sent this to me, and I think my cousin uses this also. Sabi niya kasi sa akin maganda yung crystal white, so that's why I accepted the products kasi sabi ko, oh, yun yung nire-rave about ng cousin ko, so why not try it? So eto, we always talk about this nung sinabi ko, oh, hey, I'm trying crystal white na. Tapos sabi niya, oh, ang ganda ng underarm spray nila, diba? Talagang nalalesen yung pawis, mabango, tapos ano pa ba, like, pumuputi talaga yung underarm. So, yun talaga. Hindi ko binabasa yung claims masyado. I'm just basing the things by experience. Pero, this one, it smells so good. Sobrang TMI, pero, kapag kinikiliti kasi ako ni Anton sa Kili Kili, malalaman niya if I use this or not. Kasi sobrang bango. Like, I will repurchase this for sure again. Kasi maganda rin yung effect. And, one con about this that I really don't mind is that since liquid siya, matagal siya mag-set sa armpits. Tapos, usually pinapatuyo ko pa yung kilikili ko sa, ano tawag dito, sa electric fan. So, yun lang. Pero, maganda talaga yung effect. Like, ginagamit ko talaga to as much as possible. And as you can see, paubos ko na siya. I think tinitipid ko nga lang siya kasi hindi pa ako nakakabili ng backup. Pero, yes. Sobrang ganda nito. Next thing is the Crystal White Skin Whitening Cream with SPF 30. And you've seen this. I've used this a couple of times in my videos. It looks like this. I'm not really a fan of whitening creams, but I really like this because of the SPF. This one, sometimes I put under my makeup. Usually kasi hindi ako what do you call this? Hindi ako nagbe-base. Hindi ako nagpa-foundation, hindi ako nagko-concealer. Ito yung ginagamit ko kasi this evens out my skin tone. And, again, SPF 30, so maganda to when you're under the sun. It protects my face. Again, this is not something I use every day kasi I'm not really a fan of putting anything on my face. But it looks like that. Actually, let's try it on right now. Kasi, wala lang. Gusto ko lang try. Pero nilalagay ko talaga to sa face ko when I feel like it. I just forget kasi nga naka-store siya dito kasi sabi ko gagawin kong review. Pero gusto ko to when I tried it. Ay, shiz! May makeup pala ako. Pero sige, lagyan na lang natin. And also, by the way, I don't just put this on my face. I also put this on my underarms. After toning it at night, I actually put this on my underarms. Para, kasi, I don't know, feeling ko kasi nadi-dehydrate yung face ko after toning. So, I moisturize with this one. Ayan. Lastly is something I've used once or twice lang, and it is lotion. Kasi, as you know, I'm not really a fan of a lotion. This is the Skin Whitening Lotion, and it has SPF 30 as well. So, sana pala ito yung ginamit ko. Guys, when I went to the beach, it was my first time after a year. So, I usually go to beaches once a year lang, and I forgot to wear my SPF. So, ayun. I got sunburnt. But, here, let's see how this looks like on the skin. Kasi, rarely ko alam ito ginagamit. Sabi ko to try ko to, pero nakakalimutan ko. Actually, my brother wants to use this. He really likes whitening lotion, so I might give that to him. Okay. So, I'm just rubbing it on my skin. Mabango siya. I'm really not a fan of lotion, so I can't really review this for you guys, pero, I guess what I like about it is, hindi siya yung sticky. Kasi, diba, usually lotion sticky, so, that's good. It's not sticky. It also smells good, so that's good. Tapos, moisturizing siya. I guess, yeah, it's a good lotion. May SPF 30 siya. Yeah, if you're into lotions, I think this is a good one to try. Kasi I would use this sometimes. Personally, when I use lotions, it's when I want to wear like a skirt or sa parang sinasabi ko, ang dry ng legs ko. That's when I use lotions. But that's so rare. So, feeling ko, this would be nice if I were to use lotion. Tapos maganda siya. Hindi, yung bottle niya, tama lang yung size. Kasi I have like lotions na yung malalaki tapos bulky, mahirap dalhin sa travel. So this one, I think this is travel friendly. It's 200 ml. I don't know if they have a smaller size, but yeah, I think I should really use this. Alam niyo naman, yung mga Crystal White products na to, a lot of them I already used in my past videos. Hindi ko lang nagawa ng separate review kasi, I don't know, I just wanted to test them out if I still really love them. And really, I still do. Kasi hanggang ngayon, ginagamit ko pa rin sila. And I really plan to repurchase a lot of them. So, yun. Hopefully, next time, if ever makita ko siya in shops, let's see if I can do a giveaway as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, just comment down below. And subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!